Is Etsy doing harder than copywriting? I would say to get clients for copywriting, it's going to be harder. And also the thing is with like being a consultant or like running an agency, like kind of copywriting, Facebook ads, things like this, right? Lead generation, stuff like this. You're always going to have clients. And if you have clients, especially if you're a beginner, right? If you have 5 clients, you lose one of those clients, it's a big loss. It's a big loss. So you're basically perpetually just kind of sucking up to your client. And you still kind of have a boss. You have 5 bosses. Whereas because I have thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of customers, it's very, very different. But I don't have just like one boss. Basically, I have just thousands. I have just a bunch of them. So if I fuck off one, if I piss off one, it's fine. Whereas if you piss off one of your 5 customers and they go, that's 20% of your income gone. Maybe you didn't have that much margins. Maybe you had a couple employees, like it's gone. Maybe you only have 3. You annoy one, that's a big chunk of your money gone. So a lot of people say running agencies is incredibly difficult. I think running Etsy at 5 to 10K profit per month is actually very easy. Doing 50, 100, 200K profit per month it's hard. Obviously it's hard. It's hard to earn £600,000 profit per year. Like obviously it's hard. It wouldn't be fun if it was easy. But earning 5 to 10K profit per month, I don't think there's anything easier than Etsy in the online world. I just don't, there isn't. Just absolutely isn't. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.